Before we get too far, hi, my name is Sarah, this is The Artful Edit, and I share my curated, cost-conscious luxury life in Los Angeles and my bougie on a budget hacks for aligning my everyday reality with my vision board. It's all about realizing my rich life without breaking the bank. Stick around to find out how I do it. Good morning. It is a beautiful day, and I figured we could just start with a little slow tour of the garden. Let's wander around. When you live in the city, it really is all about just finding your little slice of peace, because there's always some sort of plane flying overhead or ambulance in the distance or cars revving their engines, dogs barking, lawnmowers. It really can be an overwhelming cacophony. And so I just try to take it slow and enjoy all these little details and whatever quiet moments I can find. On the other hand, I love hearing these church bells. This is my dog's favorite spot to sit and look out over her kingdom, but we are going to grab her leash and head to Muddy Paw in Eagle Rock. That was awesome. We had such a fun time. We met several really cute dogs and some aunties that just fell in love with my dog, and I love that so much. Now we are headed over to Art Center to meet up with my friends for the LA Art Book Fair, and let's check it out.
And what is your name?
Craig?
Greg, let's see if you're coming up.
Comes in a slipcase. It's work made in rural.
From 2021.
Oh, thank you so much.
They're not good.
Thank you guys. Have a good one. Thank you. So card reader, not so much. I mean, it could have been.
The LA Art Book Fair was so cool. That was my first time going, which is really kind of embarrassing to say as an artist living in LA for almost my whole life. I'm a third generation Angelino. And yeah, that was my first time ever going. And I'm so glad my friends invited me. And at the same time, I'm not gonna lie, I was very overstimulated. There were so many things to look at. You could pick everything up and touch it and feel it and flip through the pages. And there were so many people. It was like a walking fashion show. And yeah, my brain was just on overload. So I needed to take this calming walk in this really beautiful, peaceful Pasadena neighborhood. Final stop for the evening, we are headed to Zizou in Lincoln Heights for dinner. Let's check it out. Final thoughts, what a beautiful day. I had so much fun with you guys. Zizou was great. We only tried a few menu items, so we will definitely be back. Thanks for joining me for this Saturday in LA, and I'll see you in the next video.